I have a field office with an empty corner where a desk should be. And obviously, I'm not buying one. In the spirit of this channel, I'm making it myself and using 3D printing to help. It's a simple rectangular desk, nothing fancy, but it will go up and down. As usual, I start in Fusion 360. First, I create a model of my setup. This weird wave-looking thing is a clamp, and it's going to do all the heavy lifting. And this thick bolt makes sure the desk doesn't slide out. Now, can one clamp support the entire desk? Unlikely. So I added a second one. If it fails symmetrically. And then I made this extension. It kinda looks like an aircraft carrier. More support, less regret. Chamfer everything, mirror to the other side, and the full assembly is ready. I added left and right markings. This is just a precaution. Material choice ABS. It gets pretty hot here in Australian summer. PLA would just not survive. One small detail added, fuzzy skin on the bolt handle. With the prints now done, it's time for the desk. I'm using solid beech wood panel.
I says bitch. You said that. Ain't nothing but a thing. But you said bitch though.
It's hard, stable, and actually makes sense here. These red and black bird-looking things are my jigs. I designed them a while ago and now they just keep being useful. Quick cutout for cables. For the corners, I'm using a trim router, a long straight bit, and my 3D printed templates. Some sanding, then chamfering all around for that I know what I'm doing look. And then more sanding. Finally, cutting out holes for the bolts. I finished it with furniture oil, nothing fancy, just does the job. Everything ready, desk, supports, screws, tools. Time to install. Moment of truth. Does it fit, or did I just waste a week? And it works. The supports go about 2/3 into the desk, so it's actually solid. And this is how I switch from sitting to standing. Takes a few seconds. This is done now. The desk is surprisingly strong. I'm going to work with 3D prints here, clean them up, maybe occasionally work with the 3D printer, so this platform has to take some weight, including my own weight, so I can lean on it and without being afraid that it's gonna fail. So these black things worked better than I expected. They're made out of ABS, strong material obviously, and yeah, this is purely mechanical, adjustable height, stand-up desk and sitting desk, whichever you want. Very happy. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for a regular dose of creativity.